In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money in Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main screen, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct region or sending setup. At the top of the screen, you'll see the country option. Tap on that and select the specific country you want to send money to. This part is important because the available delivery options, bank choices, and transfer details can change depending on the destination country. After choosing the correct country, look for the Send Money button and tap it to begin your transfer. Remitly will then guide you into the money transfer process. If you have already saved the recipient's account information before, you can simply locate that saved contact from your list and select it. This is the fastest option because a lot of the details may already be stored for you. If the recipient has not been saved yet, choose the option for a new contact and then select their country. Make sure this matches the country where the recipient's bank account is based. This helps avoid delays and ensures the transfer is routed correctly. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you type in the amount, Remitly may show you the exchange rate, fees, and the amount the recipient is expected to receive. It's a good idea to review this carefully before moving on so you understand the full cost of the transfer. Once the amount is entered, select the delivery method. Depending on the country and the transfer setup, you may see several delivery options. In this case, you'll want to locate the bank account option if you're depositing money into a bank account. Be sure to choose the right one so the funds go where you intend. After that, select your payment method. This is how you'll pay for the transfer from your side. Once you've chosen it, click. Continue to move forward. You'll then be asked to enter the recipient's account details if they haven't already been saved. Fill in the requested banking information carefully and double-check everything for accuracy, since even a small mistake can cause problems with the transfer. From there, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen to review and complete the transaction. Take your time on the final confirmation page to make sure all the information looks correct before submitting. Once everything is confirmed, your transfer will be processed through Remitly.